Good evening, students. Welcome back. So, we are going to start a new chapter today, that is time, temperature, and money. Okay. So, first we will learn in time, that is the basic difference between a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. So, here is through these diagrams, okay, you can understand. This clock is what? This is the usual clock that you use in your home. Okay. So this clock is showing a time. What it is? 3:45 p.m. Okay. I will come to it. What is p.m.? What is a.m.? Everything I will describe with you. Okay. First try to understand how does this clock works. It starts at 12 and it again move in circle like this. This is the hour hand, this is the minute hand. Okay, this hour hand will move in circle again, it will reach to 12. Every small division in a clock means here you will have five divisions between each number. Okay, 12 to 1, 5 division, 1 to 2, 5 division, 2 to 3, 5 division. In this way it goes. So total 60 divisions are completed. Means what? You have 60 seconds makes a minute. 60 seconds means 1 second hand, one small one, you will find a very thin line like this. It will represent your second hand. Okay, this will move every time. This will be moving every time and with full speed. So this is your second hand. So 60 seconds means from this 12 it will start and it will complete all the 60 divisions and again it will reach this 12. Means it has completed 1 minute. Each division means what? The minute hand is moving, like from 12, suppose it will move to the next division, then you have completed what? 1 minute. So in this way it goes on. So by the time it completes from number 12 to again number 12, means it has completed 60 divisions. Means 60 minutes it has completed. So 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. So this all you have read in your junior classes. So 1 hour means this is the hour hand. This fat one. This is your hour hand. It is going very slow. Okay. So for every one round this minute hand will take na. This will move by one step. Okay. So in this way a clock will work. So this is called a 12-hour clock. Why this is called as 12-hour clock, children? Because it is showing 12 to 12 time. After 12, again it will reset from 1, 2, 3 and again it will complete this 12. So it is a 12-hour clock. Now we will come to another type of clock which you are using nowadays in homes. You will find this clock also. You will also find this clock in railway stations. This clock is called as digital clock. Okay, and it will show 4 digits. First 2 digits will tell you the hour and the second 2 digits will tell you about the minute. Okay, why it is called as a digital clock? Okay, why it is called a digital clock? Let me explain you. First of all, it is showing only digits. Okay, there is no hand here, nothing. So it is a digital clock. The other name for this clock is 24-hour clock. Why it is called 24-hour clock? Because it is starting from 0 to 24. From 0 it will start and it will end in 24. But it will start from 12, again it will end in 12. But this will start from 0 and end in 24. Or you can say 0 to 0 and that comprises of 24 hours. It is complete 1 day. 1 day is what? 24 hours. So this clock will cover entire daytime. This clock is also covering but in 2 phases. 12 to 12 and another 12 to 12. So 2 times it has to come. The hour hand has to complete 2 rounds of 12 to complete 1 day. But this will show in means after 12, here it will come 13, 14, 15. Here after 12 you have 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. To understand better, can you see this diagram? This diagram here you will see this is the midday. Midday means what? The sun is at overhead. Write it 12. You call it as 12 noon. So under midday I have kept this number, that is 12. Our day starts from 12. For this 12-hour clock it is 12. So this is the timeline. Under the timeline you will find 12-hour clock's time. And above these the numbers that are written, above the timeline, above numbers are what? It is the 24-hour clock time. Understood? How are we representing? 24-hour clock starts from 00 and 12-hour clock starts from 12. This is the first basic difference between a 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Up till this 12, both are same. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up till 12 it is completely same. But after 12 it will again reset and it will start from 1. Which one? 12-hour clock. But for 24-hour clock it will continue. So after 12, 13, 14, 15 and it will continue what? Up till what? It will continue up till 24. Actually, this 24 is also written as 00. This also you have to remember, children. We don't write 24. We write at 00 because the starting time is what? Midnight. Okay. So next day midnight also it will start at 00 only. That is why I have put here 00 and here also I have put 00. So after 23, the next hour is 00. Again from 1, 2 it will start like this. So this is the complete diagram which is representing the first 12 hours, that is from 12 to 12 you consider as AM. AM means what? Ante-meridiem, or you say it as ante-meridiem means what? Ante means what? Before. So before noon, that is called your ante-meridiem. And what is PM? PM is called post-meridiem. That is post means what? After. After midday. So we are representing those times as PM. So after 12 noon, you will start 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, like this it goes on. But from starting midnight 12 up till noon 12, the times are 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, in this way go. But when we talk about dot 12, this thing it is very important to remember. Dot 12 is never considered as AM or PM. We write it as 12 midnight or 12 noon. So I hope you all have understood the concept very well about the timeline. Okay, and you understood the basic difference of 12-hour clock and the 24-hour clock.